Hey, good evening. Don't see myself yet, but I have the red circle, so that means I'm live. Is that not a cool look to the sky there in Toledo Bend? I always forget when I go live here that I go live like 10 seconds before I see myself, so I have my little pre-game drink of water before I go on. So I apologize for that. I should hit that a little quicker. Yeah, that's some pretty cool cloud cover there. I love the look of that. I always get fooled thinking there's like a shooting star or something. You watch as you see the headlights reflecting off the camera. So you're going to see this up above the bridge there. It looks like, oh my goodness, it's all coming to an end. It's not. We're looking good. So good evening, everyone. We had some rain last night. I saw a comment on my last post. Now I have been verbalizing this, and I think I did this in the post about like waves of rain coming through. But I didn't expect rain during the day today. I thought we were going to see a break between the overnight stuff and our next round, which will be coming in here not in the not too distant future. It's cloudy, it's dreary. We have wind chills to deal with. I saw the coldest wind chill got down to 36, and it felt like 26. It felt cold. So winter weather advisories, I just posted about this. We do have a little light icing potential that could get as far south as El Dorado, Arkansas. It's not going to stay in there. It's not going to get into our area, but if you are headed up toward Little Rock or Hot Springs in the morning, you're going to want to take extra caution there. Yes, Miss Linda, I had to get those pig roast pictures out for everyone. We had a fun day yesterday, and we avoided the rain. So we've kind of skated between the rainfall during the daytime hours, though that comes to an end tomorrow. Actually, we had 0.94 inches out at the airport. Overall, everyone saw rain. The lowest totals were probably like 0.3, I would think, up into Catahoula and Concordia Parish, but we ranged close up to 2 inches. I saw a couple of reports of 2.5, not seeing that on the estimate here, but it's cold out there. 66 down in Houma, 61 New Orleans, but there is a cold front coming in, and 42 degrees. Looks like Coach Kiffin is going to be landing at 52. I think he just landed a little while ago. I was tracking that flight and watching all that stuff go on. College football madness, I tell you, and my Aggies lost, so whatever. Northerly winds tonight. It's going to be windy, it's going to be rainy, and it's not going to be pleasant. So as you send the kids out the door in the morning, you're going to want to put a jacket on them. Northeasterly winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour, possibly some higher gusts, and with temperatures in the low 40s, upper 30s, yeah, it's going to feel pretty nasty. How will flying out of Alexandria to St. Louis? That's where I'm from, Ella. Awesome. Mom, are you in here? You're gonna have to pick her up at the airport. No, you don't have to do that. Let's see. Thursday morning, I think there's going to be rain, but it's not going to be severe weather, so I think you're going to be okay. And there might be a couple inches of snow on the ground up there. So the planner, yes, I lose my train of thought. No severe weather, no thunder really in the forecast out of this one. I think maybe tomorrow we see a few rumbles, hear a few rumbles of thunder, but Futurecast showing that there's just a few sprinkles overnight. It's been kind of drizzly, low visibility. Rain really starts to overspread by about 8 o'clock. Hey, okay, Mom, you're going to have to pick Ella up. And then heavier rain is possible tomorrow, but generally just kind of steady rain, about a half an inch to 2 inches of rain out of this one, and everyone is going to see this 100% coverage on this shower and thunderstorm activity. And again, if I say thunderstorm, I mean just maybe a rumble or two of thunder. A little bit of elevated instability, but not a lot going on there. GFS model showing that we have our next system, and we just kind of highlighted that one. That kicks out by Tuesday morning. Tuesday and Wednesday look dry, and then Thursday morning for that flight, it is going to be a little wet out there. And we have one big slug of rain that's going to come through, then another one Thursday night into Friday, and then it looks like we will dry things out a bit. And I think after this system, we do kind of back off on the rain chances for a little bit, and I'll show you more on that in just a second. But it's going to rain. I mean, we're going to see a lot of rain out of these next three waves. I'm thinking 2 to 4 inches of rain. I think this is running a little bit hot. I don't want to jump on 5+ inches yet, but a solid 2 to 4 inches in addition to what we saw last night, and that'll put us close to our forecast totals. 45 degrees tomorrow, rain and a few rumbles of thunder, no severe threat. Wednesday, maybe a late shower. I think Thursday is the main rain day there, and Thursday night into early Friday. And then, just in time, we deserve this. After all that rain, a nice weekend. Highs around 60, lows near 40. And the thing I wanted to show you is it does look like as we get toward the December 8th to 14th time frame, things are going to kind of slow down here. So we're not going to see as much in the way of rainfall. Temperatures kind of close to where they should be. And I'll be watching for Christmas whenever I can get that forecast, because we're still a couple of weeks out from where we can reasonably do that. But we'll keeping an eye on it. Hope it's kind of chilly. I want that for the Christmas spirit. I don't want a Christmas day where it's 82 degrees, but we shall see. But yes, it is very cold up in St. Louis. I think that's it for today. Again, if you are headed north, we do have that possibility for some frozen precipitation up into southern Arkansas. A little light stuff. It's not going to be a lot, but it doesn't take much with the ice. And let's see. Let's take one more look at those clouds over Toledo Bend, and I will get on out of here. But I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you don't have much to do tomorrow that's outside, because it is going to be nasty. Look at those little waves in the clouds out there. You can see it's all starting to happen. That moisture and that lift is moving in, and we are going to get another solid rainstorm, and we need it.